Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below. Oh, great, a helicopter. Hello, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. This is your flowing lullaby. Now, I'm going to use, or try to use, the voice that I use with my son when I'm putting him to bed after we read our Oosborne pop-up books and stuff, and we sing some Dean Martin. So very relaxing. Got about 10 minutes to really take advantage of this stretch. I'm already relaxed. Okay, let's begin in child's pose. When you're finished, let me know below what is the most relaxing song that you play to relax. Boy, I'm sharp today. All right, knees down. We got child's pose. We have pebbles on the mat. Let's breathe in the nose and out the nose. Bring the forehead down. And use your breath, especially your exhales, to release down. I want you to let it all go and see what happens. 5 more breaths. Breathe into your ribs. Breathe horizontally. I don't know if that's the voice I use with my son. I could be wrong. All right, very nice. Let's thread the needle. Nothing fancy, but in the subtlety of it, it's very powerful. Bring the left arm through and relax the left cheek down. Release down with the breath. 5 breaths. I want you to consciously slow each one of them down and make them more effective. One more breath, one more breath. That's all we're hearing is the breath and the gentle breeze and the herd of elk behind me. All right, moving to the other side, thread the needle. This arm forward, other one underneath. 5 breaths. Pilgrim. Let's do 2 more breaths. Nog 2 mehr. Very gently, let's make our way out of it. Enjoy my new Big Fork Montana cap. First, coming to a seated position, shaking out the arms and legs, relaxingly, relaxingly. I like that. A little hyphen in there. Let's come down onto our backs. Bring the right knee in, left leg out. It's relaxing. Let it go. Relaxing your body and mind might be the most challenging class you'll ever do. Let's rock this leg side to side. Breathe. 3 more breaths. Let your toes be loose, your ankles. You can ponder the question, what is relaxing? What does that mean to you? Perhaps it means something different to each person. I'm so relaxed I can't speak. Right? Now bring this leg over. Oh, we gotta go into the twist. Relax this leg down. You can bend this leg if you like. You can extend. You can grab here. Let's do 5 breaths. Shoulders down. The most relaxing song. Oh, it's got to be something classical. Or Jim Brickman. Or Oscar Peterson. A lot of times I find the most relaxing music to be the most invigorating. All right, other side. Left knee in, right leg out. There we are. Relax the strings. Okay, bring that knee in. Last night, put my son to sleep. We read, well, didn't put him to sleep, put him to bed. We always read about 3 or 4 books. And by the 3rd book, he starts moving his head side to side. Wiggle the fingers and the toes, by the way, wrists and ankles. Ankles, there we are. And he starts going side to side with his head, and he looks at me saying, please, Dad, I want to go to bed. I don't want to read about trains anymore. And I love the book Goodnight Moon. All right, bring the leg over. Written in 1947, 2 years after World War II finished. Goodnight Moon. It's a beautiful book. I'm very captivated by it, especially the room, the stars and the moon. And last night, after I read to him, we get up out of the chair and he puts his hand on his little noise machine, turns on the waves, and then he turns off the light. And it was so sweet. I'm going to grab this foot. It was so sweet. He just put his arms around my neck, and we just hugged for about 5 minutes before I put him in his crib. I talked to him a bit. I always sing to him. I said, Dean Martin, I like to sing my rifle, Addie, and Dane. It's actually Rifle, Pony, and Me. It's from Rio Bravo. Love that song. Dean Martin sings it. Also sang it with Ricky Martin. And it's my rifle, my Addie, and Dane. And I sing a lot of cowboy songs to him. They remind me so much of my dad, too. And my son Dane looks so much like my dad. Little Mr. Bob. All right, release. So many pebbles. Bring the knees into the chest. Hug him in. So by the time I put him in his crib, he was asleep within about 2 seconds. He may have been asleep on the way down, rocking side to side. But those moments, I love those moments. And I'm usually the one who gives him a bath, too. Well, Mom makes dinner, so love giving him a bath. We have such a good time. Of course, we sing, too. He makes up his own songs. He kind of scats, but yeah, he put his arms around my neck. We just hugged for a while. And he does that now. He'll run over to me and just give me a big hug. And that's worth its weight in gold, isn't it? All right, Embryo Pose. Rocking onto your side. I'm sure a lot of you have very similar stories. So think about those. Feel how blessed you are to be able to tell those. All right, knees are drawn in. Let's take 5 deep breaths right here. In the nose, out the nose. Focusing your breath that way, into your sides, into your low back, working those breathing muscles. That is the game changer, whether you want to relax or whether you want extra energy. They tie in together. All right. Anyone else drool? Is that drool or is that sweat? Look at the pebbles on me. Isn't that beautiful? All right, my friends, it's me, Coach Vigue. I hope that was relaxing enough for your needs.
Okay.
I fell asleep there for a second. Enough for your needs. What is the most relaxing song? One that pops into my head is Summertime on piano, George Gershwin. Summertime. That's a beautiful one. I like Jim Brickman a lot. Listen to By Heart, that album that came out in the 90s. I used to listen to it a lot when I was working at the Big Fork Summer Playhouse, Big Fork, Montana. Yeah, a girlfriend of mine at the time. Her name was Minta. Actually, it's still Minta. She's actually does a lot of fitness videos. I don't know. Would she be mad that I mentioned that we used to kind of date? Anyway, I'm so relaxed. I'm just purging myself. Oh, lovely lady, though. Lovely lady. All right, my friends. Yeah, most relaxing songs. I always think Oscar Peterson, beautiful jazz, piano, George Shearing. And then if you want to wake up, listen to some bop jazz. Listen, Count Basie or Lionel Hampton. I love that. Anyway, it's Coach Vigue. I'm still talking. Am I still talking? Who's listening? I hope this helped. Give a subscribe, like, comment, share, and let me know the most relaxing song you've ever heard. I'm gonna think of some more later. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.